What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to a new vlog. The moment has finally come. We are getting ready for the Eternal Sunshine Tour. By the time you guys see this video, I will be on my way to New York City to see Ariana in concert for the first time in 7 years. I cannot believe. If you guys have been here for a while, you already know. I went and saw Ariana a bunch of times on the Sweetener tour and had the time of my life. If you are looking for an Ariana Grande concert vlog, you have come to the right place. We are gonna get ready today, do a full face of REM Beauty. I'm gonna show you everything I'm wearing for tour makeup. Really glittery, sparkly, beautiful eyeshadow, very highlighted face. So if you guys could not tell by my hair, I have my outfit behind me. I'll give you a moment to guess. Go ahead. I am going to be dressing as Thank You Next Ari, aka Elle Woods Ari at the nail salon with Jennifer Coolidge doing the bend and snap. That look just speaks to me. I love the fluffy pink top. I love the hair, especially with the little butterfly clips. So I'm gonna be using these little plastic Y2K butterfly clips, kind of mimic the butterflies that were in her hair. I have my bang out and I'm just about to put my hair back in a little ponytail. I'm probably gonna be silent while I do this ponytail because it's that serious. I'm not gonna be doing the typical, you know, Thank You Next Ari ponytail because I'm not really trying to do that high of a pony. I'm gonna go for more of a 2026 Ariana pony, kind of what she's been rocking on this tour. I feel like each tour date, Ariana's ponytail gets a little bit higher and a little bit longer, which I'm living for. She is currently doing kind of like a medium pony. Like, it's not super high, but it's also not super low. My clips are falling out. My hair has been so long, so it's like the perfect ponytail height. All right, I think that's good. And this is just a rough draft. Like, I'm just doing dress rehearsal today. This is not the actual concert, so it's not gonna be perfect, but you guys will get the gist. Let's see how that looks. Cute, I love. Now we're just gonna finish slicking back the rest of the bumps. Now, if only the hair could go this smoothly on the day of the show. So this is going to be the hair that hangs out. Let's check Ari's hair. Her hair has kind of like one over here, one right here, and one down here. Switching up the camera angle. I feel like it's gonna take some zhuzhing, but that's pretty much the pony. So obsessed. I love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna wear my little Ariana Swarovski earrings, and also I'm wearing my Swarovski necklace because in the Thank You Next music video, she had a very just simple chain on. So we're going with that. I cannot believe I'm gonna be seeing Ariana live. Like, this is so crazy. I've been live streaming pretty much every single night of the tour on YouTube Live, and I've just been watching a live stream of somebody who's attending the tour and having a little watch party on YouTube with all of you guys and, you know, whoever tunes in. And it has been so much fun. And now it's actually my turn to go see the show in real life. Oh, I'm so shook. And also, if you guys missed my last video, not Ariana sending me her brand new fragrance before it even is announced. Like, are we kidding? So this is definitely coming with me in my bag for the tour. Spray a little bit now. Cloud Aurora coming July 14th on Ulta.com and July 16th in Ulta stores. You need it, it's so good. And I have my little Cloud family sitting here on my vanity while I get ready. The only thing is I'm gonna have to put my hair back for the makeup portion of this video. Okay, we got the bangs pushed back, saving my little butterfly clips for after. We'll put those in at the end. Where do we even begin? This feels crazy. I can't believe I'm actually getting ready for the tour right now. Tonight I'm watching it from my couch, but it's okay. By the time you guys see this, I'll actually be on my way, which is just like what's really tripping me out right now. First thing I have been doing before my makeup is spraying the REM Beauty Mist Thing Calming Facial Mist. This stuff is so good, especially for the summer. I have been keeping this in my pool or beach bag and spraying this on my face when I'm in the sun. I love that stuff so much. Yep, I just spilled my coffee all over the floor. Now I'm gonna be putting my coffee way away from all of my makeup. I forgot I kind of wanted to go in with the eyes first because when I did my makeup yesterday and I went in with the sparkly eyeshadow after doing all my makeup, naturally it fell down and like ruined my face makeup. We're gonna pause on the foundation and I'm gonna go in with some of my REM Beauty eyeshadow palettes. These are the Sweet Dreams Eye Quads. These are everything. The ones that I'm mostly gonna be going in with is Nightcap in Tokyo and Fembot Fatale. These ones have gorgeous shimmery colors, especially the color Fembot. So gorgeous. I also have the individual Fembot shadow, which I think I'm gonna take with me in my purse for the tour, just so I can have for touch-ups. It also makes a really great highlighter. I also have been doing like a little bit of a classic Ari liner. That means I'm gonna need my Principessa palette. These are like the OG eyeshadow palettes before the quads came out, and this is like one of my most used palettes by REM Beauty, and you would never know because there's not a dent in any of these shadows. But I'm gonna be using this black shadow for my eyeliner. Moving a little closer. So first of all, comment comment down below if you are so excited for tour. So let's tape our eye so that we can get a very, very sharp wing. I learned this trick from a makeup artist that used to do Kylie Jenner's makeup back in the day. Her name was Harush. I don't know why I'm saying was, like I think she's still doing makeup, but I haven't seen her work with Kylie in a long time. But she used to always tape Kylie's eye and do like such a fierce wing. I think they're even. Here's to hoping. And you want to make sure it's down really good so that no eyeshadow sneaks under the tape. I'm first gonna go in with a little bit of concealer on my eyelids to give the eyeshadow something to stick to. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and just tap that all over my lid. I just used to love sitting in my room and doing makeup for hours just with nowhere to go, simply just to do the makeup and to feel pretty and to take silly pictures and like do whatever it is that I was gonna do. Film videos, whatever it might be. Makeup is just such a fun way to express yourself. I just love it. And I love the REM beauty community too. It's just everything. You guys know I have been a day one REM beauty stan. Day one stan clocking in. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and take just a skin tone color and put it all over my lid to set the concealer and give just a quick little base. Then I'm gonna be taking a little pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with the black color. We're just gonna go in and create a smoky winged liner on the outer corner. This is one of those where you just have to trust the process. So let's start there. We'll revisit if we have to, but now I'm gonna go in with the Fembot Fatale palette. This one has been very loved. She's very beat up on the front already because I use this one all the time. Here is what she looks like. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. This is the shade T, so cute. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. And these shades are so pigmented, so beware. Now I'm gonna go in with this chocolate brown color. I'm gonna use this to blend together the liner with my crease color. Now I'm gonna go in with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna be taking a white shadow and I'm gonna be brightening up the inner corner of my eye with this color. So these are the colors we are working with. I know I'm definitely gonna go in with Fembot right here. This one is Fairy and this one is Pixels. Going in with Fembot. This one's unbelievable. Not too bad. I'll take it. Okay, I think I'm gonna take the shade Moonlit from the Dangerous Woman palette and put this on my brow bone? Question mark. It's time to move on to the face makeup. So I have to remove all the glitter that fell onto my face. I'm gonna take a little bit of micellar water just to get my skin ready for makeup. Going in with the REM Beauty foundation. Just putting a little bit on the back of my hand. We're gonna start there. A little goes a long way with this foundation if you have never used it. Proceed with caution. All right, foundation is laid. I'm quickly gonna go in and just contour my face. And this is my favorite brush for contour blending. We need this forehead and jawline to be chiseled. Next, I'm just going in with a little bit more concealer. Time to brighten up this look. Coffee break. I love concealer. Now I'm going in with the cheek and highlight sticks from REM Beauty. I usually go in and put Love Spell a little more towards the back of my cheekbones. This one's so pretty. Love it so much. Like, look at how gorgeous those look. The swirl is everything. That one is Love Spell, which always makes me think of Victoria's Secret Love Spell. That was like one of my favorite fragrances when I was younger. And then I go in with the Sweet Talker right on the apples of my cheeks. Obsessed. This shade is my favorite because it's such a pretty like bubble gum mixed with a baby pink. I'm just taking a flat blush brush to blend this out. Now it is time to set this concealer so it does not move. I'm just going in with some loose powder. I'm powdering my under eyes to the gods. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer using the REM Beauty bronzer, of course. This one is in the shade Out of Office. I love the shade names on all of the REM Beauty products. I'm just gonna take this and warm up my face a little bit. I wonder if I'm ever gonna be able to finish this video today. My camera just died, so I had to take a 30-minute intermission, so I literally don't even remember what step of the makeup I was at. I think I was about to do blush. So I'm gonna go in with a couple of the REM Beauty blushes. I'm first gonna go in with Skinny Dipped, which is this kind of like mauve pink color. I'm gonna take a fluffy little blush brush and just put this on my cheekbones. I love this freaking color so much. I love how the lighting looks in my room right now. Like, the lighting has been all screwed up this whole video and now the lighting is looking good. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Pinking of You, which is like a baby pink color. I'm gonna take a little bit of this right on my apples of my cheeks. And I like to put a little bit on my nose too, to give my nose a little bit of like a blushed look. Now I'm gonna go in and finish my eyes. I'm gonna grab the Fembot Fatale palette again, and we're gonna go back in with that shade T. And I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. I'd say the eyes are looking pretty much complete. We just have to go in with some mascara. So I'm gonna be using the REM Beauty Lengthening Mascara. So pretty. I love this mascara. I'm like literally such a mess. It's not even funny. I really feel like I might just end it all today. I was not recording my whole entire lip combo. I talked about it for like 5 minutes and I wasn't even recording. But these are the lips. I put on Top Line Lip Liner by REM. This one is one of my favorites. It's so pretty. And then Bubbly Lipstick. And that is the combo. Very cute. I'm gonna be bringing these both with me in my tour bag. Lastly, I'm gonna be going in with REM Beauty Miss Mercury highlighter. This highlighter is obliterated. It looks like an actual planet, so I am not gonna be giving you a close-up on this, but this is the highlighter that Ariana has been wearing on tour, and it is one of my favorite highlighters REM Beauty has ever created. So gorgeous. You can layer it nicely, so you can start off, you know, kind of tame and just go as crazy as you want. I love this one so much. I love to put it under my brows. I also love putting some on my collarbones and on the shoulders. And that is that. And last step is setting spray. Woo. And then I take my trusty dusty fan and set that shit in place. And there we have it. That is the look. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this clip out now. We can go ahead and let the bangs down. I didn't actually even curl this piece. This is leftover curl from yesterday. But for the actual show, I'm gonna be like slicking back my hair and like actually curling this piece and making it look really cute. But as I said today, I'm not actually going to the concert. I'm literally going downstairs to live stream. So I don't think I really need to do all that. I don't know if I should do too purple to make it even. The only thing is this is gonna really mess up my eyebrow. So I feel like I might need to spread them out. I don't know. This is gonna take some playing with to get correct. I think that's gonna have to do for the hair. Cute. Okay, now it is time to get into the outfit. Okay, we got an outfit reveal. I have to put my shoes on real quick. I wanted to show you guys because I don't know how I'm gonna get a full body angle of this, but I'm obsessed. Just you wait, let's put on the shoes. Oh my gosh. Before I get up and show you like the full body reveal, I do have to throw on some Glinda Glow Drops. These are so essential. Or if you guys have the Dream Glow Serum, this is very similar to that, but it makes you super glittery and gorgeous. Oh, actually, and of course, we have to spray some brand new Cloud Aurora on this shirt. Marinating her before the show. All right, here we have it. I'm so excited. So cute. I love it. I didn't have a red belt, so I used red ribbon, but you know what? We are making it happen over here. Both my shirts are from Amazon. My jeans I already had. My shoes I already had as well. These are from Target. I got them a while ago. Hair clips are from Amazon. I will have everything linked in my Amazon storefront. I love it. Let me clean up all my stuff here before I end up with another spilled coffee. That is it for the final look on my Eternal Sunshine Night 1 outfit. I'm so excited. I cannot believe that when you guys are watching this, I will like already be there and be experiencing it. I cannot wait. I have my REM Beauty bag packed and ready to go. I'm about to sit down and film a video on all of my tour essentials, so you guys will know exactly what is going in my bag for tour. I have my little bear that I made. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because you would have already seen this. But I made my own little Eternal Sunshine tour bear with a Swarovski ribbon for my Ariana Swarovski purchase. It has my Sweetener World Tour T-Mobile ring, and over here she has a little pink cancer ribbon. I know this one's supposed to be breast cancer, but this is on there for my grandma. And then she has a little Wicked earring over here. Super cute. I am so obsessed with the bag. I'm so obsessed with like the whole outfit and just how everything came out. I love it so much. I've waited 7 years for this moment, and I just cannot freaking believe it is finally here. Thank you guys so much for watching and getting ready with me. This video was so chaotic and kind of all over the place, so I apologize. I feel like I didn't really get to like talk as much and catch up with you guys as much, but stay tuned for all of the vlogs that are coming up. There will be plenty of time to talk in those. But before I go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I love you so much. Comment down below what you are wearing to the tour if you're going, and if not, comment what you would wear if you were going, because I really want to know what your inspiration would be. We are channeling Thank You Next Ari, Elwood's Ari. I just love this look so much. I love the long ponytail. I love the little money piece out on the side. I feel like it's just really cute. And the only thing I purchased for these outfits were these two shirts. Everything else I already owned, and I think this was like under 40 bucks for both the shirts on Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below if you are trying to recreate this outfit as well. I've only seen a couple of people do this one so far, so that's what kind of made me want to do this one still. I originally wanted to do the Boy Is Mine outfit when she's holding the potion in the beginning of the music video, but I just have seen so many divas do that one and they've done it so good that I'm like, I don't even want to compete. I'm so freaking excited to take you guys with me to tour, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one.